Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look crazy at the moment. I've been testing an eyeshadow palette from Makeup Obsession and this is the palette I'm talking about. So if you want to see my opinion about this, you can check out my other video as well regarding this eyeshadow palette. But today is about a foundation I want to try, and this is from W7. This brand is, I don't know if it's a drugstore brand, but you can find it in particular type of stores. Like you can find them on BM, Savers I think, and I think I've seen them on Peacocks. I think this is new. I haven't seen it on the market for long. This is called, it's Glow Time Radiant Foundation, by the way guys. So it was a bit intriguing when I said like, okay, I should try this. This is a buildable till medium coverage type of foundation, and it doesn't say long lasting or anything, but it should give you a radiant natural type of finish, so it's not a matte finish. By the way, W7 guys are cruelty free. They never tested their products on animals, which I'm pleased about that, because a lot of drugstore they still do, like L'Oreal and I think Maybelline, and I don't know about Rimmel London, but they're still testing on animals, which is not good. But I'm really pleased that they never tested on animals their products. Good. So let's get this tested. By the way, this has 30 ml, so a standard size for foundation. It comes with a glass bottle and also comes with a pump, which is really handy. And it has this really cute lid anyway. And mine is in the shade Ivory Glow. Okay, so let's test this on. Let's see how thick it is. I have one pump. She is quite thick, so it's not really runny, as you can see. It feels quite thick. So I've used the pump at the moment, and I'm gonna use my trusted beauty sponge from ELF and see how it's gonna go. But first, I don't want to forget about primer, so I'm gonna use a hydrating primer, by the way, and this is from MUA and it's called Pro Base Moisturizing Primer. So back to the foundation. I'm really curious how much coverage this has, because as you can see we have a bit of everything on my face. We have some redness, some spots that they're trying to heal, some active spots in here as well, and I'm really curious how well this is gonna cover. So at the moment I only have one pump, so let's see. I have no idea if I selected the correct shade, because I bought this in store but there are no testers available, and I think it's because of COVID they still haven't added any testers. So did I actually choose a correct shade? That will be the first. So I've used the whole pump on this side. The coverage is sheer to medium at the moment, so I'm gonna build up a bit more. So I've used one pump and I'm gonna put two more, because probably it's not gonna be enough, just one pump for the other side. By the way, it has just a bit of a scent, but it's not really strong. It's not perfumey. It's just, I don't know how to describe it. It just has a really slightly scent like cosmetics, but it's not bothering me. It's not really intense, which is good, because if you have like sensitive skin, we don't want a lot of perfume on our face. I'm curious if this color is gonna oxidize or not. By the way, I didn't use the whole thing. I think I used about 2.5 pumps in total. So yeah, I'm gonna wipe this up because there's no point. I'm gonna use a fan because I want to dry this faster. So it does start to set, so I think I've dried it with the fan for about a minute. and starts to set into the skin, and it doesn't look to actually oxidize, which I'm impressed, because usually most of the foundation I've tried, they oxidized anyway, but this one seems to be fine. I had to use the fan because it's so hot in this room, and I wanted, you know, it's just gonna melt down if I don't. I'm gonna apply, by the way, some concealer as well to see how it will behave with this. So far so good, guys. The concealer actually blended really well into the foundation. Because sometimes, you know, if the formulas are different, it's a possibility they don't get along. But this one, it actually blended really well into the foundation. So I'm impressed. I'm gonna go now and finish the rest of my face, guys, and I'll come back with the finished look and my final thoughts. Okay, so I'm back with the finished look, guys. It turned out quite beautifully. So overall about this foundation, I am not mad with the finished result. It doesn't seem to transfer, which is really good. So I need to try again. Sorry, I have eyeshadow on my fingers. No, it doesn't seem to transfer, which I really like. You can see you have foundation, so it's not like skin, but it's not full coverage. I think I can compare this with the Revlon Color Stay foundation, the one that I've been using for years and years. But yeah, I do like the formula. As I said, it did blend it well with the concealer, and it does look nice on the face. If you're looking like for something more natural than this, I don't know if you're gonna like it, but it doesn't look bad on the skin. By the way, I forgot to use a setting spray, so probably that will melt everything more beautifully. But I didn't cover these spots with concealer because I just wanted to see exactly what type of coverage this foundation has without any help. But it does look nice, it blended well, it doesn't seem to transfer, doesn't seem to cake, it doesn't seem to emphasize any of my like pores or any other imperfections on the skin, because some foundation can do this, unfortunately, can emphasize if you have like large pores or anything else like. But I don't know if it blurs. It didn't seem to blur my pores, but it didn't emphasize it anyway. So as I said, overall it's quite a good foundation, and I'm surprised. This cost, by the way, I think £5.50 on their website, so I'm quite impressed, to be honest. I'm not gonna do a wear test today because I filmed quite lately and I cannot go outside and test it on the natural lighting because it's no more light. It's 8 o'clock in the evening now, and probably I'm just gonna leave it for a while, maybe an hour or two, to see how it's gonna mix with my oils, because it doesn't say if it's long lasting, but the way it's set, I think it's gonna last anyway, because it does seems to set. But I'm planning to test this one more time in the future and see how it behaves. But as I said, it doesn't feel cakey, doesn't feel heavy at all on the face, by the way. It doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't transfer. So I'm surprised. Let me know if you tried this foundation and if you loved it, how it worked with you. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this video and if you want to see more videos like this, because yeah, just tell me what type of videos would you like to see and I can try to film them. Thank you for watching, and if you're new, hi, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this every week. See you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.